Okay, today in social studies, we are going to work on how humans impact the land. In your previous lesson, we talked a little bit about how Louisiana changes over time. So we're going to talk about some of those things that cause Louisiana to change. One of those things that cause, or one of those people who cause Louisiana to change are humans. Humans are people. Humans change the land. We're going to look at how humans change the land. We're going to look at that word impact. We've had that word impact in class a lot lately. You remembered on our word wall, impact means to change. So how do humans impact the land? How do they change the land? Here's a picture. Here's a picture of the land next to a body of water in 1979. You see a few houses. Look at this picture in 2009. Now you see lots and lots of houses. And we're going to talk about those houses being called residential areas in just a few minutes. So this is one way that humans change the land. They build their houses on the land. Here's another way that humans change the land. Here you can see one side with forest. Here's another side with all of the forest cut down. So humans cut down the forest, it's called deforestation, so that they can use the land to build houses, build businesses, even put cattle on here so that they can feed on the grass. Here's a better picture of it. Here on one side, you see where they've cut down all the trees and they planted crops. Here on one side, this is called agriculture. Here on the other side, all those homes where people have moved in. This is called residential. So we have residential and agricultural. Okay, we can get out the slide. And we are going to go to human impact. As humans, we have been able to adapt to our environments. This was evident when the Acadians arrived in Louisiana and had to adapt to living on the bayous and swamps. Remember, we talked about that. They moved to Louisiana because it was very similar to their home in Acadia. And the bayous and swamps were just like their home. And they were able to fish and hunt. Along with adapting to their environment, humans can also change the environment to meet their needs. Early Native American tribes in Louisiana used to clear land so that they could grow corn. They did this by cutting down all of the vegetation, and then they proceeded to burn it. This land could then be plowed, and corn could be grown. Today we can change and use the land for many different reasons. Changing the land and using the land can have both positive and negative impacts. These impacts can be seen below. So positive impacts: economic growth, more housing, more food, transportation. On the negative side, it destroys the environment. Wildlife doesn't have anywhere to live. They lose their habitat. We have water and air pollution, and there's less open space. Now remember, in the video and in the slides, we talked a little bit about this. When humans change the land and they cut down the forest for agricultural reasons, then they cut down those forests to plant crops and to let their cattle graze. If they cut down trees and change the land for commercial reasons, that's business, like Walmart and gas stations. So here, agricultural, farms, ranches, crops, commercial, grocery stores, malls, gas stations. Here's residential. Whenever you hear residential, think houses. Recreational, that's to have fun, so parks. So residential, houses, apartments, neighborhoods, recreational, parks, playgrounds, skateboard parks. All of those are recreational. Industrial, those are your plants. Institutional, that's your schools and your churches. Transportation, sometimes you have to change the land. You have to cut down the trees so that you can build roads. You have to put columns in the water for bridges. You have to build railroads. So those are some of the ways that humans have changed the land. to meet their needs. And like we said before, some of them are positive reasons, some of them are negative reasons. So you're going to look at some pictures on your Google Forms and you're going to decide what kind of changes humans have done and if it's positive or negative.